to Vlogmas day 15. I'm not gonna show y'all myself because I look crazy. But, oh baby, look like the snow is melting. I should have showed y'all yesterday. All of this was fully covered. Fully covered. Now it looks like it is melting. Let's go see what the backyard looks like. Okay, yeah, so it's melting. And yep, babe forgot to put his grill up. But everything was completely covered yesterday. So I am about to fix me something to eat. I'm just in my office working on some stuff for work. So I'm about to include some clips from this past weekend. And then I'll come back and show y'all what's going on today. We're not really doing nothing. We're just at the house chilling. So, yeah. Y'all, my brother got me wanting to upgrade ya. Upgrade ya. Upgrade from my car to a new car. Let's see what we're working with in here. Ooh-wee. It's nice. Oh, that's right. It's the push button start. Oh, step on the brake. Oh. Yes, push button start. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. I want one. I want a push button start. Okay, y'all, let me stop. Oh my gosh.
All that over there is yours too.
Oh, I need it. I need it. Ooh. So yes, y'all, I'm not really doing nothing. I'm watching the Marshall's Party of 5 Vlogmas and sitting over here working on my laptop, doing some work. So babe is in his man cave playing the game. But yeah, that's all we're doing today. We're just chilling. So I guess I will come back when something interesting is happening. If you haven't checked out my office update, I will link that below so you guys can go and check that out. Babe, what you doing? You chilling like a villain on your day off? Y'all, I've been on my little lunch break for I don't know how long. Ain't even touched this laptop. Now I'm watching Locs Low. I need to get back to work so I can get this done today. But yeah, y'all, that's what me and hubby doing. We just chilling. He's in his man cave. I'm in my woman cave, chilling. Okay, need to be working. Anywho, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, the lighting is probably so terrible in here. It's like dark outside now. I literally was like in the zone and was just working. Very, very, very productive day. Like craziness. Computer done cut off. I done stopped watching videos. Babe plucked up a little heater for me in here. And he went to go get dinner. So yeah, y'all, this is just a very productive day. I hope you guys are having a very productive day as well. I'll be back. Y'all, look at our little makeshift tree. And our presents underneath. If y'all missed our vlog from yesterday, our Vlogmas video yesterday, putting up the Christmas tree at my mama's house, and then showing y'all my tree. Go check that out. I think it's Vlogmas Day 13, because today's 14. So yeah, go check that out. But yes, y'all, I've had a very, very, very productive day, honey. I feel like it was because my husband was home today. He got some sort of mojo or something, y'all. But I got a lot done today. I was telling him that that's how I made it through college, child, because I don't know what he do, y'all. He just makes me be productive. So y'all better get y'all one of them, okay? Yeah, and go check out the vlog from yesterday. Go do that. And subscribe, okay? Do all that. All that. Hey, y'all. I finally come on here and let y'all see me. I look crazy. But I have been working all day, y'all. Being very productive. So I thought on here, let me go on here and show my face. If I don't come back, that's just what today was, you guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 15, I think this is. Hopefully things are a little bit more adventurous in 16. I mean, we getting on through Vlogmas, y'all. Like, dang. So, anywho, I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.